Hello, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss another method of using this alter command for table. Okay, so for that I have already created one table. So first of all, I will show you that table structure. Then we will insert some data for the demo purpose. So let's start from Sharmit1 slash employee. So as we have already discussed many times how to create tables, so I'm just skipping that part and we are just discussing about the alter command. Okay. So you can see it is a blank table, empty table. Now we will insert some data to it. Insert into Sharmit1 slash employee, and here I will take F4, then enter, and here I will put some data. So let me put it like this, emp1. So it is inserted. Likewise, we will insert few more data just for the demo purpose. I think 3 record is enough for now, so I will insert 3 records here. Okay. Now if I do the query again, select star from Sharmit1 slash employee, then you will see that it contains this data, these 3 records. Okay. If you take F4 on this query and if you check for the length of the correct these fields, then you can see the employee name is of 50 character length. Okay. But now suppose as in your project the requirement is bit changed and now it is expected to hold the value 100 character length. Okay, so what to do now? So in that case it is always the wrong approach to go and delete the entire table and recreate the table, because in that case you will lose your entire data, right? So for a good practice, like, you have to use that alter command here to modify your data type as well. Now we will see how to do that. So for that I have created one program, so I'll walk you through this. So first of all, we are declaring one constant here, SQL state underscore valid with 5 times 0. Then we are setting up the commitment control as star none. Below to this we are using this command, or you can say query. So syntax is quite simple. You just need to write exec SQL alter table name. So table name is employee, alter column name, emp name, set data type char 100. Okay, so what we are instructing from this query, we are instructing that alter the table, then alter the particular column and set the data type as 100. So for this emp name column, data type will get changed to 100. As we are expanding the length, so there is no issue, but at the time of reducing the length there might be some data loss because you have already stored data. That thing we will discuss, but for now we are just discussing about how to expand the length. So I'm changing it alter table employee, after alter column employee name, alter table employee, alter column employee name means column name, then set data type as char 100. Once it is executed, we will check if it is correct or not. So SQL state, if it is valid, we will print the message table altered successfully. Otherwise we will print the SQL state and print the message query ended with an error. And then we are setting the star INLR request to star on. So let's quickly compile this program, and now I'm calling this. So once I call this program, it will show the message table altered successfully. So let's go to this, hit the query again. So you can see there is no change in the data. At the same time, if you take F4 on the fields, you will get to know about that it has changed to 100. Previously it was 50, now it has changed to 100. So this is the use of alter command. Using alter command, you can modify your data type length as well. Okay, in normal MySQL, like, people use there is one keyword, modify keyword, but here in IBM DB2 there is no modify keyword. We have to use in this way only: alter table name, alter column name, set data type as char 100. Fine. Now look at the second scenario. Suppose I want to reduce the size of my data. For now you can say there are 4 characters stored, but I want to change it to 2 characters only. So what it will do, it will truncate the data till 2 characters. Let's verify it. So for that I will make it as 2 only. Fine. Rest all things would be the same. So I will compile it. It is compiled. Let me close this here and call this. So if I call this, it will show change of file employee may cause data to be lost, because we are reducing the length. So if you take F1 here, we have to reply either C or I. C means we don't want to implement this thing, we want to go for cancel. C is not for change, it is for cancel. I is for ignore this thing and just process the thing which we are saying. Okay, so let's quickly reply here I. If you take C, then there is no effect, it will be the same, but if you go for I, it will change the data as per your query. So if I hit enter here, it is printing 01593. Why? Because this is indicating that your table data is truncated, and it is also a kind of error in some case. So if you don't want to raise issue for this, in that case you can maybe in else if condition you can put that if it is returning this SQL state, then you can simply print the message table altered, but uh, at the same time it is truncated the data. Okay, although it is not an error, but yeah, in some case, like if query is not altering something, then it indicates and it comes like a query ended with an error, because we have kept this logic, right? So due to this, it is printing this thing. Fine. Now if you go back and hit the query again, you can see data is truncated, only 2 characters is here. And if you take F4, you will get to know about that now the data length is also got changed, and that's why the data got truncated. Fine. So this is the second scenario where you can use the alter command. Another thing, let's say if I want to change some numeric value to some other data type, then what will happen? It might give error because you are trying to convert your integer data type into character. But if you want to change, let's say if I want to change emp id to decimal, then I can do, because both are the numeric things, right? Otherwise, like it is not possible to convert character data type into integer and vice versa. So what I am instructing here, alter table employee name, alter column employee ID, set data type as decimal. So if I go and hit enter here, before calling this, let me check what is the preset data type. You can see it is integer, right? Now we will call the program as it is printing. Again it is showing because we are converting it, right? So I will go with I. It prints table altered successfully, and if you go and check here with F4, you came to know about that it is now decimal. Okay, so likewise as per your requirement you can change, like I just tell you the process how to use this alter table alter column together to implement to modify the things of data types. Okay, so as per your requirement you can use this now. I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.